Hello all, welcome to the Universal Group of Institution, Bangalore. In our scheme series, today we are going to discuss about a new scheme and it is related to the farmers of India, especially to the farmers in the area of India where the crop yield is not too much. Yes, we are talking about Pradhan Mantri Dhanya Yojana, Krishi Yojana, which is for the poor people, for the villagers, for the farmers in the area in which the crop yield is not too much. Our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has declared this scheme in the budget session of 2025-2026. So let's discuss in details. So this Yojana is a major step towards empowering almost the farmers of 100 districts throughout the country. Yes, the 100 major districts throughout the country in which the crop yield is not that high will be catered to in this Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, which is declared in the budget 2025. So if we talk about the problem with the yield is that there are some regions in India where the crop yield is not that much. And now government is catering that need by providing proper financial support and also highlighting these 100 districts in all over India to cater to the specific requirements of that region. Suppose some region needs water, some region needs proper soil enrichment, some region needs financial support to the farmers. So all these targets will be fulfilled by the government in the selected 100 districts. If we talk about the forced migration of farmers, it's a real thing and it's happening since decades. Now, if the government want to stop forced migration of these farmers from rural areas, from village areas to the urban places, then they have to make the soil and then they have to work on making the area of that farmer fruitful for the farmers. And in that sense, almost 1.7 crore of farmers will be benefited by this scheme of Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, and that will be done by the government. How this will be done? They will be given financial aid. Apart from that, there will be reduced cases of forced migration of these farmers from village area to urban areas. So there are altogether 5 key areas on which the scheme is working on. So the first area is enhancing agricultural productivity of that area via technology and innovations. So use of tech industry will be done, use of drones, use of high-tech machineries will be done in that region to make the productivity of farming in that area increase. The second initiative taken is to increase the water availability in that area. Yes, to make available water and to improve the irrigation facility of that area. The third point is increasing the credit availability of the farmers of that particular area so that they can cater for loans and work on their farmland. And the last point is promoting crop diversification of that particular area. Suppose that area is growing only cotton, then the people will be encouraged to grow more crops like legumes and rest of the fruit crops or whatever is suited in that particular region. If we talk about what are the rest programs which are also catering to the needs of this particular scheme, then we have PM-KISAN, which is actually the direct transfer of funds for short-term loans for the farmers. Apart from that, we have PM Fasal Bima Yojana also under this. So in the conclusion, we want to say that Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana is a welfare scheme for the farmers and it will increase the productivity of the farmers, the farm productivity, then credits will be given to the farmers and also the migration which used to happen from rural areas, from village areas to the urban areas will be stopped as now we are targeting 100 drought prone or areas, 100 districts in which the crop yield is not high. So the farmers are going to get the job of farming in their own land now. I hope this topic is clear. For more questions and For any kind of clarification, you can message us in the comments below. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us.